And the winner is... Hey, so guess what today is? Today I'm going to be picking the winner of that charcuterie board that I made not too long ago. Before I get to the drawing, I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you guys for everything that you have done. I was able to reach 100 subscribers within the past couple weeks, and it is truly awesome to hit that mile marker, so thank you for that. Also, I have some new projects coming up that I want you guys to look forward to. It's going to be an epoxy coffee table. Also, I'm going to do a project on the lathe, and also a new project on the new bandsaw, which I don't know if you saw that video, but if you haven't, I'll link it up in the card up here. Now on to the good stuff. So guys, we had about 28 valid entries, and they are all in this bucket here. I know it's a little overkill because we only have 28 entries, but have this big old bucket. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shake it up, and let's see who the winner is. All right. And the winner is... The winner is Hannah Krzywicki. Woo! Go Hannah! Hannah, I hope you like your new charcuterie board, and I hope you stick with us, and I hope that you continue to watch all the new videos that are coming up, and everyone else too, because this is not the last of the giveaways. This is just the first of many. I'm gonna keep doing this because I like to give back to my viewers. It's a way of saying thank you for watching everything that I post on my channel, and I would like to hear back. Let me know what you think. Hannah, I'm gonna link your name up here in the video, and also I'll link my Instagram down in the description below. So if you can, within 48 hours, shoot me a direct message, and we can sort out the shipping details later. Alright guys, so it was fun doing this giveaway. If you have any suggestions, something that you would like to see me make, or something that you need more information on, let me know. I'm going to be working with Stone Coat Countertops Epoxy here soon with a resin coffee table, so stay tuned. If you want more information on the Stone Coat Countertops Epoxy, I'll link it down in the description as well. Alright guys, have a good week and enjoy your weekend. And until next time, I'm out of here. Thanks for hanging out with us.